Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Cameronian Grace Militaria. Today I'm gonna do something different, and I'm gonna do a unboxing video. Um, this is my first unboxing video, so I don't know how it's gonna go. I don't even know if I'm gonna do another one. This is just a try it out kind of thing, see what happens. Let's get started, I guess. So, since the coronavirus is going on right now, my mom really wants me to wear a gas mask and gloves, so that's what I'm going to do, gas mask and gloves. Because apparently the coronavirus can stay on stuff like boxes and objects like that for a while, and this came, in a couple days, um, so yeah, I'm going to put on my gas mask so I don't get COVID-19. And my gloves. Yeah, these fit pretty well. These gloves, I hate these gloves because they always, are too tight or way too big, but these are just perfect. Alright. Got my handy dandy knife. Alright. So, now I already know what's in here, but you guys do not, so pretty cool. It's all plastic bags, as you can see. That's what I got. Just kidding. It's not. I'll pick those up later. Oh, cool. Hey, the guy didn't take off this cat bag. He packed it really well. Neat. Uniform kit. Toronto. Oh, nice. So we have a Canadian Royal Artillery, Horse Artillery hat here. I'll tell the story of all these things later. Right now I'm just unboxing it. I don't even know if you can hear me. I'm just ranting. This is the stuff he took off. Yep. This is the guy was a lieutenant in the British or the Canadian Army. Sorry. So the seller took all the pins off. So I'll have to put them back on and everything. Which is fine. I don't care. I don't mind. We have the belt that goes with the uniform that's coming. Whoa. I just let you know something. Oh well, that's fine. So the belt, more plastic bags, and we have the stack. It's black. Oh, interesting. I didn't know this was coming. This is pretty small. Small gator. I wonder what this comes with. This is kind of like what you'd see with the Highlanders, They're gators. Interesting. Didn't know this was coming. Can you see what Can you see this? Okay. Here's the gators that go with the or splats or spats that go that go with the uniform. Here. Pin it here. No. Sorry about that. Anyway, spats. Here's the hat, just in case you didn't see it. Sorry about the sun movement. Then we have uniform. Whoa, cool. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. Yeah, Mom's right there. Anyway, so that's the walking out uniform. I'll tell you the history about this later in the video, or not in the video, in my channel. So I still have to research some more. But, should see. Put it on here. Sorry, 1 second. And here we go.
You can lay it back down.
And then we have, sorry, right here, the Sam Brown belt. Here. This would go on the uniform for dress occasions, I think, stuff like that. So wear it. Here. And so it'd go across your body like this. And just look cool. So. And then here's it's either the guy's name or His Royal Highness. Either or, I don't know. Because his name also ends in a H, so, or starts with an H, sorry. So it's either Hair or His Royal Highness, which is pretty cool. So, so yeah. So do a recap of everything I got in this box today, and go from there. Alright, I hope you guys can see that alright, because the sun's glaring on the screen, so I can't really see what you're seeing. But it's kind of pointed in the direction of here. So, let's get started. We have the World War II cap for the guy. He was in the Royal Canadian Horse Artillery. So they had both a British and a Canadian unit. I will get on that in another video. We have the Sam Brown belt here. We have the regular belt that goes with the uniform. We have two spats. We have two spats here, named to the guy. Two different ones, or yeah, two different because this has leather and this doesn't. But pretty interesting. Has the broad arrow here for the British. And then the walking out uniform, which is under all this, I'm sorry. And then we have the rank and insignias and everything else, the medal, ribbon, and everything else that goes on the uniform. So we have that, and then we have a random spat. So yeah, that is the extent of this unboxing video. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.